By the way, the All Africa Village, that's the working title. Once we are done building, we'll find a proper name for this village. Okay. It could be in any other African language.
So as the Dzimbanhete team, we are here where we are selecting poles for the construction of the Zimbabwean village for the SOSAWEF festival.
How do you get to a person? We go back to the culture.
I've learned since I've been here 2 years in Zimbabwe that it's not just a sangoma or a nyak. You're not just, when you say the word Shikiro, you're not just talking about a medium who does one specific thing. There are people who are doing various things. Similarly to what we find in South Africa. When you say sangoma, the word itself means a child of song.
In our culture or in our traditions, we are not allowed to eat your totem.
Totems unite us, and it's also a form of conservation. Gatherings from the onset is a way of uniting people. And that's a common motive in our cultural activities.
I just started thinking about the new capital city that we're building, in Mount Upton. Why can't we have that same concept, in fact, being replicated in Mount Upton, just building the new capital in terms of us as Zimbabweans?
Have you in any way found maybe some cultures that you feel need reform?
Chinua Achebe in Tales for the Past said that they have put a knife into what held us, and we have therefore fallen apart. What is it that unites us? African communalism. That's all. African communalism.